And it's beginning to rain, a lot heavier now. And I'm surprised I haven't seen more stuff floating down the creek, but early on yesterday there was some stuff floating down the creek. As you take a look at my neighbor's backyard where her garden and you get on into my backyard with my storage barn, that's all starting to flood over. This is normally a creek that is very slow moving. Of course, this isn't probably a scene unlike anything else you're seeing right now. Obviously, this isn't even as close to bad as far as what you've been seeing at I-24 and Haywood Lane.